If you're a creator in the US and you're pouring your heart and soul into your Facebook content, then this is for you. We are about to break down exactly how you can turn all of that hard work into a real, actual income.
I mean, let's be real, this is the big question, isn't it? You're out there creating, engaging, and building up this amazing community. So how do you actually get paid for all that effort?
Well, think of this as your personal guide to Facebook's entire monetization toolkit. We're going to open it up and explore every single option so you can pick the right tools to build your business your way. Let's dive in.
Okay, first up, let's talk about the most direct way to earn, getting paid for the stuff you're already posting. And you'll want to listen close because Facebook has made some huge changes here to make things way, way simpler. This right here is a total game changer. Facebook basically took a bunch of its older, kind of confusing ad programs and rolled them into one single performance-based system. So what does that mean for you? It means you can stop worrying about different rules for different formats. Now it's simple. If your content does well, you get paid, period.
And check out how flexible this is. It's not just for those polished, long-form videos anymore. We're talking reels, photos, even simple text posts and stories. If it's public and it connects with your audience, it can now earn you money. This opens the door for so many different kinds of creators. It's awesome.
Now, moving beyond just how your content performs, the next tool in your kit is your community itself. I'm talking about your most loyal followers who can become a much more stable and predictable source of income. So you've got two main ways to do this. First, you have subscriptions. Think of this like creating your own exclusive VIP club. Fans pay a monthly fee, and you give them special content. It's fantastic for building a stable, recurring income, but you do need a larger following to get started. On the other hand, you have stars. These are basically a digital tip jar. It's a super quick, one-time way for fans to show their appreciation. The barrier to entry is much lower, which makes them absolutely perfect for creators who are still in that growth phase. All right, our third set of tools moves beyond the content itself and fan support. This is where you really start to put on your business hat and step into the world of partnerships and e-commerce, all without leaving the Facebook platform. Your strategy here can really branch out into three main areas. You can collaborate with brands on branded content, you can earn through affiliate marketing, or you can sell your very own products using Facebook Shops. Each one is a powerful new income stream to add to your portfolio. So what does this actually look like? Well, with branded content, a brand pays you to feature their stuff. Simple. With affiliate marketing, you share a unique link to a product and you get a cut of any sales that come from that link. And with Facebook Shops, you can literally launch your own online store right there on your page, selling merch directly to the people who already love what you do. Okay, next up are the special opportunities. You can think of these as, well, like bonus levels or advanced tools that can give your earnings a serious boost. Now, they aren't always available, so you really have to keep your eyes peeled for them. First, you've got creator bonuses. These are usually invite-only, and they reward you for hitting very specific goals, like getting a certain number of views on your reels. Then, there are paid online events. This tool lets you sell tickets to things like exclusive workshops or live Q&As. It's an absolutely fantastic way to monetize your specific expertise. Okay, so that's the whole toolkit. We've laid out all the tools on the workbench. Now for the most important part. How do you actually get started? Here is your action plan. Before you do anything else, and I mean anything, this is the foundation. Your account has to be in good standing and follow all of Facebook's rules. This part is completely non-negotiable, so please make sure you're familiar with their partner monetization policies. So here are your first three steps. 1. Switch your profile over to professional mode. That's what unlocks all these monetization tools. 2. Go to your dashboard and check your eligibility. Facebook will tell you exactly which tools you have access to right now. And 3, and this is a big one, focus on originality. Your unique voice, your perspective. That is your most valuable asset, and it's what the entire platform is designed to reward. And you know, this quote really just says it all. The real goal here isn't to depend on just one thing, like ads or fan support. A truly sustainable, thriving business for a creator is built by using all these different tools together to create multiple streams of income. So take a look at your content, take a look at your community, and make a call. Are you going to go all in on content performance first, or maybe fan subscriptions? Or is it time to reach out to brands? The toolkit is all yours. Now go build something amazing.